We're going to quickly go over these. You've heard a lot already through our Toronto guest speakers as well as our Florida guest speakers. If you're thinking Greater Toronto Area, top investment right now that is already launching tomorrow, first day of sales, is Bowmanville. It is your lowest price project in the GTA. I highly suggest you guys join our Zoom call tomorrow and get your worksheets in. If you're thinking you want to buy something that's the cheapest in the entire GTA, this is the place to do it. Bowmanville is right next to Oshawa. It's growing. It's next to the last go stop of the line. So it's an excellent location that's going to grow. And as you heard Mr. Hunter Milburn say, it's the first building of multiple building community to come. So it's not your 8th or 9th building where you've already got a lot of the appreciation taken into account. It's the first building out of 8 buildings. So that's usually where you make the money in a master planned community. So Bowmanville, top investment. Number 2, Hamilton, our Jarvis project. We will be launching that in the next 2 weeks. We're going to be doing another Zoom call for that. Message us if you're interested. Again, very good price point in Hamilton. As we know, Hamilton has been expanding, and anything outside of the GTA is growing like crazy right now. Third project we have is in Pickering from Intuition Realty. We will let you know when they launch. Universal Condos has been doing extremely well, and it's in an excellent location next to the proposed new casino and entertainment center that they will be building in the city. The next project is Mississauga Brightwater Townhomes and Condos. I've been in Mississauga for 30 plus years, and this is the cream of the crop location. If price point is not a concern to you, you just want a good property in an amazing luxury location, Brightwater Towns is your place to be. It's going to be starting at over $1,200 per square foot. Your townhomes will be priced $1.3 million to $1.5 million, but yes, they will go up in value because you're right on the lake. You're right on Mississauga Road and Lakeshore, and this again is a master plan community with tons of buildings that will be released in the next 5 years, and this is just the beginning. Next highlight is our Barrie condominiums. As you know, Barrie has been growing like crazy outside of the GTA, and those of you who live in Barrie, I know we have a lot of clients from Innisfil, they can tell you that there's a night and day difference in the last 5 years in Barrie. And we actually have 3 different projects in Barrie right now to offer. Again, a great investment opportunity. It will appreciate, and Barrie in general is doing very well. Any project next to Lake Simcoe. Our last investment opportunity in the GTA are Brampton Townhomes. We have a project right near Mississauga Road and Queen Street. If you're interested in these townhomes, let us know. They have just gotten launched, and there's literally only a dozen left. So this is a good low-rise opportunity, and we will be having a lot more opportunities come up. Just make sure you're getting our email blast, as that's the first thing we do when a project launches is you get that email. The second thing we do is we post it on our social media. So if you're not following us, make sure you follow us to get the real insight and up-to-date updates. Our last investment opportunity in Toronto is commercial real estate. Now, I know with the pandemic, prices have not really fallen. There's not really that many good deals to be had in the market, at least yet. But I believe with commercial real estate, we're going to be getting a lot of opportunity that we haven't seen in the past. For instance, pre-COVID, if you had told me you wanted to buy a plaza, I would have told you you're not going to get anything less than 3 to 4% cap rate in entire GTA, which is nothing. You can make more money in that in other investments, right? Now, it's not a matter of that the cap rate has gone up, but the difference is that those plazas that people were not ready to sell before might be ready to sell. So if there's an opportunity there, now you have a chance to buy assets that were not available before. So the categories I would suggest is hotels, there'll be deals coming up, plazas, there'll be deals coming up, and industrial properties. There won't be deals coming up, but industrial assets are a huge advantage because that industry is just booming because everybody wants to be in the distribution industry. So any of those 3 categories are great investments for 2021. And let us know if you're interested in commercial real estate. We'll put you on our mailing list just for the commercial deals that do come